Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to talk about this palette right here, and this is from S.F.R Cosmetics, and this is my first ever makeup collaboration of 2021. Like, I'm so thankful for this Instagram page, Simfa Collection, and they sent this to me, and I'm really happy and grateful for this. And I absolutely love this palette. Like, you can see I created a eye makeup look with this palette, and you guys are gonna see in this video like how I did it. But this is the S.F.R, it's my pleasure palette, and these are the shades, and they are like so beautiful, like just so beautiful. So now, without wasting further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching.
I remember when we couldn't stay apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it would end, but I was young and didn't understand my heart. Spoke a tongue I never heard of. You were warm by all those words I couldn't say. It was love I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Till it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine. But I was blinded by the night. Hoping that another you will come again. Waking up and realizing it's pretend, 'cause all I have are dreams of you. Baby, you've been not enough to numb the pain. Tried it all, but I just feel the same. No hiding the truth. It was love I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Till it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine. But I was blinded by the light. Remember when we couldn't stay apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it.
So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I remember when we couldn't stay apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it would